Who's faster, a cheetah or one of the fastest cars in the world? Can a man beat a bear in a fight? Can a tiger beat the world record high jumper? We're going to answer all of these and more, starting with the strongest man in the world. And he's about to test his strength against a 500-pound lion in a game of tug of war. Any last words?
It's go time.
3, 2, 1, go! All right, we're off. Oh my gosh!
Look at his mouth. Look at that bruise shrink.
Oh my gosh! The lion's literally holding the strongest man in the world back right now.
Wait, what is he doing? Did that lion just turn around?
It looks like he's trying to wear Brian out. Here's Brian pulling a literal plane, but right now he cannot get this lion to budge. Oh, he's trying to struggle.
Brian's actually doing this.
Oh, okay. Okay. You got like 3 feet left. You're almost there. Brian, you're almost there. Oh! Brian won. Congrats.
Brian just won.
Did you have fun? Oh, okay. I won't talk to him. That's fine. But that's just the first of 7 challenges that will test man versus